Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free of charge. Okay, also you can follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Yes, you can also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. Okay, we generate tracking number for you. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the number one, the champion. We don't just ship, we ship and we follow up. Okay, and yes, you can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our skincare product is there, our 𝐓𝐾s, our instant white, our snow white, our Arabian, our porcelain. My own skincare product is on the website. Also, we sell original branded product is on the website. Okay, that you asking me, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? Just go to the website, okay, and shop. If you don't know how to shop on the website, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll send you a short video on how you can shop on the website properly. It's very easy and fast. I love you guys so much. Okay, and today I'll be showing you guys how I made this 15 liters. Okay, how I made this 15 liters 3 days whitening snow white whitening lotion. This is the strong whitening lotion. Some people can call it bleaching lotion. This whiten the skin because this lotion is meant for tough skin. Yes, tough skin, client that have tough skin, that cream don't work on their skin very fast. Okay, and this is our snow white 3 days whitening lotion. This lotion whiten the skin up and down without no green vein, no stretch mark, no white dot, no white patches, nothing of such. Okay, just get a very good scrub. Okay, this production is for a customer. She said, Mommy Kira, please can you produce 15 liters of snow white 3 days whitening lotion? I just said, okay, cool, that is my job. Okay, I want to film it and show my amazing subscribers. Okay, this lotion will whiten your skin up, down. Okay, for those customers that have tough skin, this snow white is very okay for those kind of customers. Okay, I was just videoing this lotion, showing the customer everything we need for her, for she to see it, to see everything. Already this snow white 3 days whitening lotion is already activated. Okay, is already activated. Okay, is on its own is very strong, very strong. Okay, my main focus is to show her the weight that this is 15 liters of the snow white lotion. Then I have to put the lotion in our table. Okay, because she said, Mommy Kira, this my customer's skin is very tough. Okay, I want you to add Secret White Strong Whitening Serum inside the 15 liters of our snow white and 3 days whitening lotion. She said, I want to get 1 liter of Secret White Strong Whitening Serum inside this lotion. You know, this is it. I'm showing her that look at this Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. If you have customer, or if you have lotion, if you have face cream, if you have a black soap, if you have mulatto soap, if you have shower gel that you've bought and it's not effective, don't throw it away. Okay, get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it inside either your face cream, or be it your lotion, or be it your base cream, your organic base cream. You want to activate your organic base cream. Okay, you can get the Secret White Strong Whitening serum or concentrate. Put it inside, you will see magic. This thing is very strong. You can't put it on your skin like that. You have to put it inside your lotion, your face cream, your soap, your shower bath, your scrub that is not effective. When you put it 5 days, your customer will come back without no green vein, no white dot, no stretch mark, no white dot at all. Very effective. I've been using this product since last year and it's very strong. Since I started using this Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, my customers that are coming back, people that are loving it. Is if you're a promiser, if you're a formulator, you can buy and put inside. Produce. You don't need to start by using different type of serum and concentrate. Okay, this is the container she chose. Okay, I was just videoing it for her, showing her that we've washed it, we sterilize it, you understand. It's very, very neat, you understand me, because this is the foreign container she chose, you understand me. You know, as I'm doing my thing, I'm very transparent. I like showing my client everything, okay, everything. As I want to package, I will video and show them, you understand me. That is very, very good, you understand. If you want to get the Secret White Serum concentrate oil, put it inside your production, okay. If your production is not working, you will see magic. They will come. This customer have been buying for me since 2023, that is 2023. This is a returning customer that comes every month. She buys, you understand me. See, we've bottled it out of the 15 liters of the Snow White 3 days whitening lotion, and we added Secret White strong whitening serum inside. We've bottled it. I was just showing her that madam, look at your lotion. We've put it inside this beautiful foreign bottle. This foreign bottle container is very fine, okay, very, very lush, okay. You can see, and I feed it for her and all that. We package it, you know. She was so happy when I videoed it for her, because she always say, my clients, they are demanding customers. They want to whiten up their skin, you understand, and they love the lotion, you understand me. They love it. Just tell Mommy Kira what you want. I'm going to, okay, follow what you say, and so that you can achieve an amazing result for your client. Because if your client come back, you too will patronize, you understand me. Guys, what are you waiting for? Be it face cream you want Mommy Kira to produce for you, as long as you have the money, okay. Chat me up. My number is on WhatsApp. Chat me up on the description. My number, you see my number on the description box. Chat me up, okay. Let's talk about business, okay. Look at, I've filled everything. I filled the 30 bottle, okay. Look at it. I filled the 30 bottle lotion inside this 500 ml bottle. You can see it's so beautiful and lush. My camera is not doing justice to this amazing lotion, okay. Very beautiful. But if you want to get our Snow White lotion, you can still go to the website too. You can go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Snow White is there, instant white is there, okay. You can see we've packaged it for this client. We're shipping it, okay. Yes, we're shipping it to this our amazing client, okay. You can see I will package it. We bubble wrapped everything, all the 30 bottles, so that there will be no spillage and all that. She paid for the carton and bubble wrapped. We wrapped everything and we shipped it to her. You guys know that I have a shipping company that I ship. Even though you are not buying product from, hello beautiful, this is Secret White strong whitening serum, Secret White strong whitening concentrate, and Secret White strong whitening oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. You know, this product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White strong whitening serum, Secret White strong whitening concentrate, and Secret White strong whitening oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, to mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen, and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that want to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the #1, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in